On Sunday, August 24th, join Eating Disorders of York Region's Riverwalk Wellness Centres for our Remembering Renata Walk Across Canada and Art in the Park event, and help us as we aim to set a world record. You can help us to create the world's largest Zentangle using sidewalk chalk along the trail. So bring your friends, family, colleagues, and neighbors and join us for a day of fun to remember. Join us for a free demonstration of this mindfulness art form and learn Zentangle in a few easy steps with Susan Stortini, certified Zentangle instructor. Supplies provided, no experience necessary. The Remembering Renata Walk starts in Newfoundland, continues with us here in Ontario, and finishes on the same day on Vancouver Island, British Columbia. The Ontario portion of the walk is a 2-kilometer paved trail alongside a beautiful river, a perfect setting for walking, biking, strollers, or rollerblades. This is a free, non-competitive event, perfect for a day of family fun.